Have you ever tried holding your breath while diving? I have, and to be honest, I gave up in 30 seconds. But think about it. There is a tribe that can stay underwater for 13 minutes. Yes, that's right, 13 minutes. And it's not just through training. Their bodies have changed. They've evolved. Today, I'm going to introduce you to one of the most interesting tribes in the world, the Bajau tribe. Even scientists are puzzled by this people, but they may indeed be living proof of human evolution. Are you ready? Let's dive. The Bajau people are a community known as sea gypsies who live in Southeast Asia, especially around Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. They spend almost their entire lives on boats on the sea. They don't own houses. The ocean is their home. They fish, gather seafood from coral reefs, and dive many times a day for this work. It's not just a job, it's their way of life. Children even learn to swim before they can walk. When I heard this, I thought about my own swimming efforts. Bajau children don't even need the snorkels and flippers we use on holiday. They are sea people by birth. Now you will say, okay, maybe they are so good because they dive a lot. But here's the interesting part. When scientists studied the Bajau people, they found real evolutionary changes in their bodies. According to a study published in the journal Cell in 2018, the spleens of the Bajau people are on average 50% larger than those of normal people. So what does this do? The spleen is an organ that stores blood cells to provide extra oxygen during diving. The bigger the spleen, the more oxygen the body can store, so they are naturally diving machines. Scientists have discovered that a gene called PDE10A works differently in the Bajau people. This gene affects the size of the spleen and the body's oxygen utilization. So, this is not just a habit, but a genetic adaptation, living proof of evolution. Bajau children can see clearly underwater, not blurry. The lenses of their eyes refract underwater to sharpen the image. Normally, we see blurry underwater, but they have vision almost as clear as we see on land. But will these changes only happen to the Bajau people? Scientists say that these adaptations could increase over time. So, in future generations, the Bajau people could become fully adapted to underwater life. Maybe even evolve to the point where they can breathe underwater? This is in line with the aquatic ape theory proposed by some scientists. According to this theory, part of human evolution took place at the water's edge, and some of the features of our bodies have been shaped accordingly. For example, we are less hairy than other primates, or our fat layer provides better insulation underwater. So, what do you think? Will humans live underwater in the future? Or is this just a genetic coincidence? Are you surprised by the incredible abilities of the Bajau people? What impresses me the most is how nature shapes human beings. Maybe living underwater is not a dream, but a reality in the very distant future. Don't forget to share your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so as not to miss such scientific discoveries. In the next video, we will dive even deeper.